Hello guys. Hello guys. I hope you guys can hear me. Um, I hope we are live. Yep. I hope you guys can hear me. Yep. Everything is fine. We'll jump straight away toward the charts without wasting time. It's 9:31 in the house. 9:30 UX stock market open, and it's just the first candle. This one, and I'm anticipating from this range. This is a 5 minute time frame fair value gap, by the way. This is a 5 minute time frame fair value gap. From this range, I'm anticipating these lows to be knocked off and this blue line where we have previous lows on charts. These lows on charts. And we have this daily low as well. This is what it is I'm looking for on a price action to be knocked off for the bearish case scenario on charts, which is on just on a bigger picture time frame, which is these lows. Possible, very likely possible. Uh, we can say that not like that, not possible. Possible. If we draw a fixed range profile from this range to there, this is the value area high. We are trading at point of control and the value area low of the range on charts. Overall, yesterday late in the night, we have seen rejection from this range. I was anticipating rejection from this range, really. Market showed rejection from this range, and I was like, if it shows the rejection from this range, this is a quite big range. It would be another low high at this range, and we can anticipate a major pullback to downward side from here. Maybe for these lows as well. This is a weekly and daily fair value gap as well, all the way to this range as well. Just on a bigger picture time frame, which is possible, we cannot deny this. And we have shown rejection come down very aggressively. Did not on shorter term time frame did not show any intent to be like bullish or it was continued to be bearish early in the morning. Look at this. Slow and steady. It was going down. It was going down. It was going down. It was going down. Overall, at this range, we have been quite bullish, by the way. From this range, we would anticipate like from this range market hold the area, then try to continue to be bullish. But it did not have to be bullish because it wants to make a retest or pull back to go downside from here. And this is the thing we have to figure out right now, like at what level is it possible from the charts that it could create a local bottom at this range, create a low and then be try to be bullish. And the first possibility, I'm anticipating that because it has shown rejection, it has creating low high this range, low high, higher low on downward side from here. It has shown rejection. It is possible that maybe market has to not to knock these lows. It would create higher low at these in this range as well, because this is a point of control and the value area low of the range as well. So that's why the first possibility, is maybe should go show reject, because such on major rejection from major level. It could be continue to be bearish from here for to these lows and these lows and this area. Second possibility is because it is creating higher low on charts and remaining more of like sideways at this range. It is possible that it could create lower high above these lows as well, and then try to be bullish as well toward upper side. This is also possible as well on charts. This is the second possibility that may played out on charts as it is going down from here. So that's how it is. Because the second possibility, which is what I have just explained to you, if it has to do this is what it is. I was just thinking about before I was analyzing the charts. Like if it has created this low at this range, I was like, if it has to create, we are anticipating port of control and value area of the range on charts at this range. Market could create local bottom and then try to be bullish. This is on bigger picture time frame. This is the low. I watched out the last, what is the last low on chart. So right now, really, we think we should have to focus on charts right now. I think we should have to focus on charts. Look at this rejection, by the way. Sorry guys, we will do everything. Don't worry about that. I'm not going anywhere. But we will try to understand everything from this range as well on charts. But we need to focus on charts right now. I think so. Maybe we could find a trade. I'm anticipating because it is going down from here. The overall, like of early in the morning as well, it has been going down, shown rejection from the major price action level. It has knocked these local lows. We have these lows, relative equal lows left by the charts. That's why I'm anticipating at least it should have to knock these lows on charts. 117,500 approximately, 117,500. Look at this. There's just some. I was just telling you, it has shown rejection from this range. By the way, it's already going down. Keep this field gap open. Just tap into that, which is good. Now you can, yeah. If for example, like I should have knocked these lows. By the way, now I'm anticipating it should not have to go above this high now. Not to go above this high from here. Continue to be bearish to these lows. This is what it is I'm looking for. Can I go for a short? Right? I cannot go for a short, bro. I cannot go for a short right now. I cannot go for a short in this scenario. For example, if you go for a short in here, your stop loss will be just in here, and then you'll be looking for these lows. But this is not an ideal trade. I would say that. I just I'm telling you, just look at the bounce. But if it has to be bearish, if it has to knock these lows, I do not want to see going above this high, man. No, this is not a good trade, by the way. Yeah, you got stopped out in here. That's why it's a. This is what it is. I was telling. Can I go for a short right now? I cannot go for a short. Why I did not went for a short at this range because it was already bearish. It was going down. Why? Because I was not confident. I was not confident on a downside price action move from the market. That's why. Yes, we're still anticipating lower levels from here. Look at this. It has shown rejection again. It has shown rejection from this 5 minute time from Fibonacci gap. It has shown continue to show rejection from this 5 minute time from Fibonacci gap. Let's see this time. It has the potential to be bearish from here for these lows. I'm not going for a short right now. Yes, it has invert this Fibonacci gap. Technically speaking, like it should not have to go above this Fibonacci gap. Tends to be bearish from here for the to these lows. Can I go for a short right now? This is what it is I'm thinking about. Or should I have to wait? Can go for a short. Your stop loss will be quite tight, by the way, in here. Not sure, man. Let's wait. This time, let's see. It should have to break this level, man. So yeah. So this is the Fibonacci gap now. It will be great if market kept these Fibonacci gap open and then tends to be bearish. Now more for like I wanted to go for a short, man. It will be very small trade. Maybe it is possible that market continue to be bearish from here. I'm just selling one contract. I'm not sure my order got filled or not. Yeah, I'm just selling one contract. It is a very small size trade, very small size trade because it's yeah, and it's on a demo, man. I'm looking for these lows, and maybe it is possible that market could continue to be bearish from here, which is likely possible as well. We cannot deny about that. What is this, man? Always remote drawings, but I don't know where they come from. We can say that market should have to go down, by the way, from here. Possible continue to be bearish as well from here. There is no denying about that, man. I should have at least knocked these lows, and this is the Fibonacci gap as well now. So 117,400 approximately to these lows. Should have to go down, man. Look at this Fibonacci gap. It should have to kept open. 15-minute time frame. It is more of like telling me it has to go down, man. I wanted to highlight this one right now. This is a 30-minute time frame Fibonacci gap. This one. We'll make a little bit. It is getting quite messy, by the way. Keeping my stop loss tight. Stop loss tight, man. I'm keeping my stop loss tight. So this is the Fibonacci gap as well. Look at this. It just tab into that. It will be great if market not to go above this high as well. From here be bearish, not to go above this high as well. It will be great. You know what? I'm already anticipating in this morning session on charts. There will be tomorrow. We have a quite big news on charts. Today we have no news this week. This is the last week of July as well going on. More of like bearish and more of like a not a big move on charts we can anticipate from the market. I'm keeping my stop loss tight, man. While it is going down, I'm just keeping my stop loss there now because we can't risk more than that. We went for a short in this range. I'm risking just this. Initially, it was this. It would have been a one. Now we are just risking this for this. It's 2.81. Yeah. And I'm very well known of the fact that maybe market could go all the way to uh, further downward side as well. Not these lows. Maybe there's also daily lows as well at this point. 100 and 116 approximately at this low. 116 800. One, yeah, 116 800, round about this range. It could be going down all the way to there as well. We cannot deny about that. Hold your nose, man. So for now, I want to delete this one.